odd even problem using semaphore. So now we will solve the same problem, but we will use blocking queue. So you know the concept of blocking queue is that if somebody wants to take the element from blocking queue, one of the features is if uh, the element is not available, I mean size of queue is 0, it blocks and waits until something is available in blocking queue. And if there is other feature is if the blocking queue is full and you want to put something inside blocking queue, then it will wait until there is some space created in blocking queue. So almost like this only, but we will be using blocking queue. So I'm removing all the semaphore code from here. So we don't need this. Okay, so this is also not required. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. And we are back to our normal start. Print even. Okay. Let's run it. Okay. So again, these are getting printed in different threads, but not in sequence. So let's do it using blocking queue. So again, we will use two blocking queues. Blocking queue. We can just give it anything we want. That really doesn't matter. Capacity 1 is okay. And what we will do is we will create another blocking queue. Okay. And yeah, it's okay. So we will pass both this queue to this method. Create change method print odd, change method print even. Okay. Now what we will do is blocking queue dot take and blocking queue dot put. So we want to print one first. So dot, sorry, it will be q1 dot it will be get or take retrieves and removes. Okay, so we want to do q1 dot take, and what it is, add some with try catch. Let's move it to take, and let's move this method to the end. Okay, so it will try to take something from q1, and this is print odd, and 1 should be printed first, but q1 doesn't have anything. So let's put something in q1 dot add what, so number doesn't matter. Let's put 100. Okay, so it will take this from q1, and again it will be empty, and then it should put something in q2 dot put 100. What is this? Okay, sound with try catch. Let's do extract to method. Yeah, we can do put comma 100. It will be better, although it doesn't matter. But it is always good to be make things the do things the right way. Okay, I, and let's declare I, and let's move it to again to end. Okay, so yeah, so it takes something from Q1 and puts into Q2. Now after this thing is done, one loop is done, it will again come back here. So let's suppose the code is this only. So the code will run. We have already put something in Q1. It will take something from Q1, then it will print number one, then it will put something in Q2, then it will again come here and it will just wait here because nobody is putting anything in Q1. So this thread will be blocked and it will just stay here. So something should put here something in Q1. So we will do the same opposite in this method. So it will try to take from Q2 and it will put in Q1 comma 100. So this will wait here until this will get called. So first this will get called and then this will get called, then this will get called, then this will get called. Then again this, this. So this will wait for this and this will wait for this. So they will work in oscillatory fashion. Okay, now let's run our code. Okay, so see here, the numbers are now printed in sequential order. So this was how you could solve the odd even problem using blocking queue or semaphores. There are other ways also like conditions. So more or less they work in the same fashion that you give you, for example, in condition, you wait for one condition in one method and then you just signal the other condition, something like that.